Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you tired of bright, glaring white screens? Yeah, same here. Let's fix that by enabling Google Chrome Dark Mode. Now, before we dive in, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you coming back for more simple and practical Windows tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. When the Settings page opens, take a look at the left-hand side and click on Appearance. Now, under Appearance, you'll notice that there are two different ways to turn dark mode on or off in Chrome. You'll see Theme, and you'll also see Mode. The faster option here is Mode, so let's start with that. By default, Mode is set to Device. What this means is that Chrome automatically follows your computer's system theme. So if your PC is in light mode, Chrome stays light. If your PC switches to dark mode, Chrome switches too. But what if your computer is still in light mode and you want Chrome to be dark anyway? No problem. Click on the Mode drop-down and select Dark. And just like that, Chrome instantly switches to dark mode, even though the computer itself is still using light mode. You'll also notice there's a light option here if you ever want to switch back. Now, let's change it back to device for a moment so I can show you the second way to enable dark mode. This time, click on Theme. Under Theme, you'll see three options: Light, Dark, and Device, default. Simply select Dark, and as expected, the theme changes immediately. You might also notice options for accent colors here, but we'll leave that for another video. Today, we're focused on dark mode. And that's it. You can now enjoy a sleeker, more comfortable browsing experience, especially at night or during long browsing sessions. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.